Okay, you guys. So what we're going to do for this assignment is we are going to show you how to code the Dobot with the gripper tool. So I already posted the video on how to use the gripper tool. So I'm trying to dodge in here so I can see the camera. So we've already talked about how to add the gripper tool to the Dobot. So it should be on there and you should check and make sure it's working. So the next thing that you need to know how to do is code it to pick up something. So what you're going to do, and I'll show you on here on my screen, is first we are going to make sure to connect to the robot. So I have everything turned on, and now I'm going to connect to the robot. So we'll make sure that happens. Okay, all right, and now we're going to go to Blockly. So you're going to click Blockly, and then you'll see the Blockly coding platform. So you'll go over here to the Dobot API, because those are the codes for the Dobot. So you go to Dobot API and then go down to motion. All right, you're going to click this move to button, because that's going to say the XYZ coordinates that the robot is going to move. So if we just hit play, here it moved to X200. Let's try. We'll hit start. X200, Y200. Let's hit Z50. So you'll have to play around with this to get this right. Z is up and down. So if I reposition the robot where you could see, let's see if you can see here. If I hit play on there, you'll see that the robot moved. Okay, so what we want to make sure to do, here we go. We want to make sure that on Dobot Studio that you are, sorry, I want to make sure I get this presentation correct. Using the coding, so I'm presenting my screen, right? Using the coding, the move to XYZ to move the robot. The other thing you're going to need to do is control the gripper. So if you could control the gripper, we can go up here to the gripper option. And then we're going to hit either release or grip. So right now it's in grip mode. So we're going to hit release just to see a difference. But you also need to come up with, if you go to basic here, you're going to choose the delay time to tell it how long to do that. So if we click that, 1, I'm going to play this. You can see that it opened the gripper for 1 second. So it's already in the position that I wanted it to be in. So now I'm going to switch it to the grip option. Let's move it so you can see the difference. Okay, so you saw where it closed the gripper tool. Now it's already closed, so I've got to use the release option now. Okay? All right, so you're going to do a series of movements. You're going to have to play around with this. We'll see. It's already in release mode. Let's go ahead and grip mode. Let's play that. And it grips. So your idea is to program it to go and pick up a block, grab it, move it. Go back and pick up another block, grab it, move it. The idea is to stack it on top of each other, but given that you are kind of working with what you have at home, if you have, if you have blocks like Legos. Try to see where my Legos would work. If you don't have Legos, maybe you can use dice. But the idea is to try to stack things. So using that coding program on the Dobot Magician, on the Dobot Studio under Blockly, the Dobot API functions, the move to and the gripper and the delay time option. Okay, let me know if you have questions.